In this video, I'll show you how to pay your Amazon Prime Visa card bill. It's simple whether you're using the app, website, or just want to set up automatic payments. Let's jump right in. First, open a browser or launch the Amazon app, then sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon credit cards page. You can search for it or find it under Your Account. Click on Make a Payment under your Prime Visa card section. You'll need to link a bank account if you haven't already. Enter your checking account details or choose an existing payment method. Select the amount you want to pay. You can pay the minimum, full balance, or enter a custom amount. Review everything, then click Submit Payment. That's it. Your payment will be processed, usually within 1 business day. Quick tip: to never miss a due date, go into your settings and turn on Auto Pay. That way, your payment goes through automatically each month. If you're using the Amazon app, the steps are almost the same. Just tap into your card under Your Accounts and Lists, then go to Payments. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick credit card tips. See you next time.